Lieutenant Delmont Walker, reporting for duty. Yo, Baird, how long is it gonna stay dark in here?
Wait, dark? Where are you?
Where you told me to go.
Oh dear, miscommunication. Dave, uncloak. All right, can you at least see Dave?
Yeah, I see Dave.
All right, working on getting that module powered up.
Could you just hurry?
Ah, lights are glitched. Iris, open the doors.
Certainly, Damon.
What the hell, man?
Hey, we had to get light in that box somehow, didn't we? Hang on, we'll set you down.
Whoa. Tell me again why you got me out of my perfectly good bed for this?
All right, I want to upgrade our security bots for combat against the swarm. Everything you do, the sensors on your armor will record.
Man, you think your bot's gonna be able to compile my moves?
Yeah, I do, actually.
Nice landing, Baird.
Thanks. Okay, we need to calibrate those sensors. Just follow Dave. Good, now keep up with him.
Man, I could be having brunch right now.
Your waffles will be there when we're done, kid. Kid, data's looking good. Dave, proceed. All right, Lieutenant. After every task, I'll update your TACCOM. Check it now.
Oh, look. I see Dave.
Wonderful! I love it. Anyway, now hit the keypad. Excellent. Iris, bring in the next module.
Incoming, Damon.
All right. Step 1 for combat-ready DBs is making them use and understand cover, like you would. To the next piece of cover, please. All right, now swap to the adjacent piece of cover. Perfect, we got it. Now hug that wall and move left. Pretend you're taking fire.
Pew, pew, pew.
Good, data's clean. Now let's make it more interesting. Our DB's gotta learn that enemies can still hit them in cover from an angle. Using the cover, break Dave's line of sight so they can learn how to move like a real gear.
All right, down.
Dave, bring up your targeting laser.
Oh, you can't find me.
You're aware the purpose of this is to avoid Dave's target.
Oh, you missed me. You know what? This is kind of fun.
Okay, let's wrap up this module with a cover mantle. Take cover near Dave. Now, mantle up and over. Good. So, how you feeling, kid?
You know, limbering up.
Iris, activate the sprinting trench.
Certainly, Damon.
Running at full speed while keeping your head down does not come naturally to a bot, so let's show him how it's done. Race Dave to the other end, kid. Iris, countdown, please.
3, 2, 1, go.
Now race Dave back to the start. Iris?
3, 2, 1, go.
Too slow, Dave.
All right, good job. Data's clean. Just think, every time a DB sprints, it'll have your distinctive gait.
Lucky them. What's next?
Iris, ready the shooting module.
Finally.
Shooting module has been placed.
Okay, grab a Lancer, the COG's most trusted and versatile firearm.
Man, how could you not trust something with a chainsaw bayonet?
All right, kid, incoming Guardians. Take down their shields and destroy them.
EV Guardian online.
Okay, now aim down your sights. DBs love to hip fire. We need to change that.
I know how to fire a gun.
Now let's try using blind fire to destroy them while keeping yourself protected in cover.
Unit operational. Gateway assistance required.
Now that's good data. Put that in your face.
For some goddamn reason, DBs have trouble nailing a perfect reload. Show them how it's done.
Oh, perfect. That's gotta be solid data there.
Not bad, not bad. But let's up the challenge. Can you take down a moving target?
Unit online. System operational.
Got it. Easy peasy.
Good. Let's move on to explosives training, shall we? Grab some frag grenades from the rack.
You sure you want DBs tossing frags around?
Have you met the swarm? All right, now equip it. Iris, bring in some volunteers for Lieutenant Walker to blow up.
Yes, dear. Damon. Yes, Damon.
You didn't hear that.
Baird, how does blowing up DBs help train them?
They're old custodial units. I was gonna strip them for parts anyway. Okay, just like when shooting, keep your head down and blind toss the grenade.
Lieutenant Delmont Walker, you are constantly...
One down. Grab more frags if you need them.
Boom! With my eyes closed.
Great! Now open your eyes and target the rest. Just wind up, aim, and release.
That's one.
Terrific. This module's almost complete. You ready for a live fire exercise?
Does Marcus like tomatoes?
An emphatic yes. Grab some fresh ammo and frags, then get back into cover. These Shepherd DBs are using shock rounds. Take them out.
No problem.
Aim for the head. They'll go down quicker.
Quick is good. I'm starving.
And try mixing things up between firepower and explosives. Don't use the same thing.
Unit operational. I'm here to help. Attack!
Up. Keep them coming, Baird. I got this.
Excellent work. Data looks good. Ready to move on?
Sure. Why not?
Great. Now for a quick exercise in field medicine. Iris, bring in the patient.
He is joining us now.
What's wrong with him? Looks fine to me.
Dave?
What a pleasant day we're having.
Help him up, Del. You know, for science.
I got you. I got you.
Your assistance is most appreciated.
Now, word of warning. This next one's gonna sting a bit.
What are you talking about?
Dave? DB, help him up.
Damon, this is not part of the training protocol. Are you instead having fun with Lieutenant Walker?
Iris! Ignore her, kid. She's on the fritz or something.
Citizen, it appears you need aid.
Oh, you're a real dick, Baird.
Hey, kid, do me a favor and scrap that custodial unit for me. Just use your Lancer's chainsaw.
Really? Damn, man, that's cold.
Thanks, kid. Don't worry, I'll make sure he gets recycled. Head over to Dave when you're ready to continue.
Well, might as well. Lunch is over anyway.
That's the spirit. Iris, initiate the next training module.
Preparing now, Damon.
Grab a Nasher shotgun off the rack.
Ooh, already know I'm gonna like this. Come to Papa.
Clear out those shepherds. Need as much close quarters data as I can get.
Watch me work, baby.
Lieutenant Delma.
That Nasher's made for close-range combat, kid. So feel free to get in their faces.
Yes! Boom! Hey, you like that? I know I do. And... Tough!
Good work. Oh, and Iris, we're gonna need cleanup in Module 7. Anyway, ready for the hand-to-hand module?
Come on, when you're born ready, you ain't got to get ready.
Yeah. Just follow Dave. Welcome to the hand-to-hand combat module. First up, use your combat knife to take out the deactivated DB.
That seems a little unfair, but okay.
Lieutenant Delma Walker.
While it's down, let's grab some finishing move data.
Finish with style!
Impressive! Excessive, but impressive. All right, coming up next, some in-cover maneuvers.
Let's do it.
Okay, take cover behind the next shepherd.
Unit operator.
Now give it a yank. And insert knife.
I almost feel sorry for him.
Hey, with learning comes sacrifice. Now, mantle into the next area. Same drill. Get into cover opposite the shepherd, but this time, mantle into them. Line it up, mantle over, knock it, and insert knife.
And I'm sensing a pattern.
Okay, now let's teach him to counter. Get into cover. He's coming for you. Counter him.
Ooh, come here, you.
Excellent. Now put him down.
Baird, this is mechanical slaughter, man.
Oh, really? Well, what do you say we grab some data from a fair fight?
Come on, Baird. This is me we're talking about. You don't have enough robots to make this a fair fight.
Oh, yeah? We'll see. Gear up and we'll get started. Iris, initiate Combat Simulation 12.
Damon, Combat Simulation 12 will provide a gear as skilled as Lieutenant Walker with minimal challenge.
Iris, I knew I loved you.
Okay, Simulation 13. Higher challenge, better results. Worst case, Dell's in the hospital for like a week or two.
Wait, hospital what now?
Oh, you'll see. Just get to Dave and we'll get started. your teammates, kid.
Hi, teammates.
Greetings, Lieutenant.
Iris, bring in their opponents. The incoming enemy units won't be holding back, so get me data I can work with.
Let's go, fellas! Team down all the way! Fire in the hole! Frag out!
Commencing reload. Unlawful citizens acquired. Reloading. Unit reloading. Unit requires assistance. Unit engaging. Targets engaged. Reloading.
Come on, Del. Hunt them down and take them all out.
Hardware failure. Assistance requested.
Go step to me. Is that all you got? Because I got more to teach.
Nice work. And once these upgrades are in, the swarm's in for a nasty surprise.
Hope you got what you needed. I'm gonna go eat.
I will begin analyzing the data shortly.
Iris, what would I do without you?
I shudder to think, Damon.